Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix HIO API error during game launch? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, let's just get all the basics out of the way. Try uninstalling and reinstalling your H. Try confirming that your API key is in fact correct. And if all of those have not solved your problem still, this is going to be the only thing that you can do. So firstly, simply go ahead and search for command prompt and then run it as an administrator. So let me just go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and write netsh space winsock space reset, just like that, and try restarting your PC. Now finally, make sure that on your network and internet settings, go to Ethernet. On DNS server assignment, it's going to look something like that. It's going to be on automatic DHCP. Just turn it to manual, turn on your IPv4, and then your preferred DNS to be 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS to be 8.8.4.4, and simply go ahead and save that. So once you've done that, your problem should pretty much be fixed. However, if it's still not, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the game itself. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.